awesome surprise. I went to Canadian Tire to buy some rings, and I found that their plant, they have a lot of plants in their garden center that were on last minute sale, and so I managed to pick up 18 plants for 25 cents each. And most of these are herbs. I've got 6 pepper plants, and I have planted shepherd peppers, but these ones are red ones, so I'll have to find a spot for these guys. I've picked up some curry, which is a new one for me. I've never planted curry before. So picked up 2 curry plants, and I found lemon balm, which should be awesome to make tea. So pleased to find that. And beautiful tricolored sage. I do have lots of sage in the garden, but I don't have the tricolored. I may bring this one home, but then again, probably plant it here and have it to grow and take cuttings later. Rosemary, 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 rosemary. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 4. And 5 rosemary plants. Okay, what else do I have? I have winter savory, which is something I had planted in the past, but not for a while. So 2 pots of winter savory. Now these plants are normally $4 a piece, so it was a great buy. And I found stevia. Now I've planted stevia in the past, and I have dried it and saved the powder, so we'll see what happens with this year. I will plant it and see what happens. So, and there's my other 5 red pepper plants. So I have got to find places in my garden to plant all of this, and certainly do have space underneath this trellis, but I'm waiting to see if I can move my lettuce here, and I've replanted that plot with rutabagas. That's it. So that won't work, but I'm sure I could find spots. So I have my work cut out for me here to put 18 plants in the ground, so I'd better get to it. So at 25 cents a pot, I decided to go back, and I picked up a lavender plant. I think it's Homestead, but they didn't have a label, so I can't be sure, but lavender is beautiful anyway. A pineapple mint plant, and another couple of stevias. So I'm here at my garden, and I've got to find some place to plant these now. So, looking good.